Burundi, a small country nestled in East Africa, is often overlooked by tourists. This hidden gem boasts stunning landscapes, rich culture, and warm hospitality. Burundi offers a unique travel experience. It is a place to discover the true heart of Africa. Burundi is a landlocked country. It is known as the Heart of Africa. The country is endowed with natural beauty. Rolling hills and lush green valleys characterize the landscape. Burundi is a paradise waiting to be explored. Burundi's cultural heritage is as rich as its natural beauty. The country is home to various ethnic groups. Each group contributes to the nation's vibrant culture. Traditional music and dance are integral to Burundi's artistic expressions. Burundi offers an authentic African experience. It is a destination where you can immerse yourself in the local way of life. The people of Burundi are known for their warmth and hospitality. A trip to Burundi is a journey to remember. Bujumbura, the largest city and former capital, sits on the northeastern shore of Lake Tanganyika. This vibrant city showcases a fascinating blend of modern and traditional architecture. The city's heart beats with a lively energy. Bustling markets and street vendors offer a glimpse into daily life. The city's colonial past is evident in its architecture. Art Deco buildings stand tall alongside traditional African houses. This architectural blend creates a unique cityscape. Exploring Bujumbura's streets is a journey through time. The city offers a taste of Burundi's nightlife. Local bars and restaurants come alive with music and dance. Traditional drumming and vibrant rhythms fill the air. Bujumbura is a city of contrasts. It seamlessly blends tradition and modernity. A visit to Bujumbura is incomplete without experiencing the local markets. These bustling hubs offer a sensory overload. From colorful fabrics to fresh produce, the markets have something for everyone. It's a chance to interact with locals and experience the city's true spirit. Beyond the city, Burundi's natural beauty shines. Lake Tanganyika, the world's second-largest freshwater lake, dominates the western border. Its crystal-clear waters offer breathtaking views. The lake is a haven for water sports enthusiasts. The southern part of the country is home to Kibira National Park. This protected area is a biodiversity hotspot. It is a refuge for various primate species. Hiking trails wind through dense forests, leading to hidden waterfalls. The park is also home to over 200 bird species. Birdwatchers will be captivated by the colorful avian life. The park is a testament to Burundi's commitment to conservation. It is a sanctuary for nature lovers. Another natural wonder is the Ruvubu National Park. This park is known for its diverse wildlife. Hippos and crocodiles can be spotted basking in the sun. The park is an important breeding ground for numerous bird species. Burundi's cuisine is a delightful fusion of flavors. Fresh produce from the fertile land forms the base of many dishes. Bananas, beans, and maize are staples in the local diet. Meat, often goat or beef, is usually grilled or stewed in flavorful sauces. One must-try dish is brochettes, skewered grilled meat. It is a popular street food. Another local delicacy is fufu, a starchy side dish made from cassava or plantains. It is typically served with stews or sauces. Burundi's cultural experiences are as enriching as its cuisine. Traditional dance performances are a sight to behold. Intricate movements and vibrant costumes tell stories passed down through generations. The rhythmic drumming and energetic footwork are captivating. Burundi's warm hospitality shines through. Visitors are welcomed with open arms. Sharing a meal with a local family is a heartwarming experience. It offers a glimpse into the heart of Burundi's culture.